Alright guys, welcome to Watch a Guy Fish. First day of trout season for me. We got the kayak all set up here. Let me show you what we got. Alright, we got our outriggers. I'm about to get them set up. Got my rods. We're ready. Bon voyage. We finally did it. We're out, guys. Got the fish finder on, camera ready to plunk into the water. It's very windy, but other than that, it's peaceful. All right, we are out here. Got the camera, nice view. I haven't seen any hits of fish yet. I've seen them when I was trolling through, and I had a bunch here and I stopped, but I haven't seen any yet. So, but super windy today. Super windy. I don't even know if you guys can hear me. I'm mic'd up, but who knows? So, we just got some fish, but I'm talking, so I can't cast. But anyhow, I almost bird nested hardcore and didn't get it out because it's so fucking windy. So basically I gotta make sure that I'm like right at the wind's, the other opposite of the wind's direction, basically, because if I'm not, I'm bird nesting again. My lure is not that heavy. It's actually really light, and I think that the wind just, it's not helping at all. So but yeah, so far I love it. Try to film like this, but we'll see. Oh, there's a fish down there. Not because it's biting, but because I seen it on the camera. Anchored out, but doesn't really matter because it's just blowing me everywhere. Jeez Louise, this wind is insane. That wind, man, really helps. It's about 8 feet here, so got plenty of depth for the lure. It's a top floater, so it's not going to hit any weeds or anything. A lot of lilies in here. I already seen them floating. Not the actual leaf yet, but some of the bulbs were already floating out. I was like, how's the presentation on that? And I seen it coming up and it looked terrible, and basically the hook got caught on the back. I'm using 4-pound fluorocarbon from Berkeley. I paid, I think, $30 for 250 yards or something. And then for backing, I got third nested. No. See, there you go. Not bad though, just a little bit. But the backing I used is it's threaded. I can't think of it. It's $50 for only 150 yards, which I'm used to buying fly fishing backing from Scientific Anglers, and I think I paid 100 and some bucks. So I was like, that's not bad. Fly fishing is so much more expensive than this, so it's got its perks there for that. But yeah, back to lure fishing, guys. I haven't lure fished or bait casted ever. I haven't bait casted ever. I haven't lure fished in like 10 years. I used to go with my old boss from Hudson News back then. Shout out Dick Smith. I swear to God, that's his name. Dude's got to be early 70s now, maybe 75 even. But dude is youthful as fuck. Dude's basically my age, you know, just his body's not. But that guy taught me everything I knew about lure fishing, which back then, man, I really loved lure fishing. I remember him telling me panther martins were the go-to, and I'd see him slam literally like 30 fish in a day. Not even. Couldn't believe it. And I'd catch like one, and I'm like, dude, what the fuck? So I guess it's just different for everybody. But my man, he still knows. I hope he's out fishing now. He was a stream fisher. He's never one to bank fish or anything, so. And I'm the same. I always wade. I can't fucking stand on a bank. That gets boring. Hence why I'm not on a lake bank right now. I mean, obviously I tested my gear when I first bought it on the bank, but I always want to be out in the water. I love it. So, yeah, I really hope you guys are enjoying this. I am having such a good day. I'm looking in the trees from the distance, and there's like 8 lures in it. Surprisingly, I got really good at getting my stuff out of branches, because fly fishing really taught me how to finesse it. Oh, I had a bite. Fuck. There's a bite. I gotta stop talking. He's about halfway through. He's being real slow. That got me excited. Sorry, I lost track because. Oh, got one. Fish on. Fish on. Fish on, guys. First fish of the season. Let's fucking go, guys. Let's go. He's a nice one. Oh, yeah. Oh, Yeah. I don't have a net, so this is really... Oh, yeah, she's a keeper. She's a keeper. Look at that, guys. Relax, bud. Look at that beaut. Oh, you're not going anywhere, buddy. I lost a fish ice fishing before. I ain't doing it again. So, but yeah, guys, first fish, guys. First fish. I think we're out here only 20 minutes. We got it, guys. What a nice fish. Nice little stocked rainbow. Yeah, just use the floater, guys. That's it. I maxed out my limit, I think, last time. Ice fishing, it was only 3. But we should have a limit of 5, I think, right now. God, I love that smell. So yeah, here, let me drop the lure in so you can see. I always like to show the lure off. But yeah, that's the lure. Normally I'm showing you guys a fly that I've made, but we're gonna show you a lure I bought. So I forget what brand it was, but it was like 10 bucks, maybe 12. Definitely worth it. Definitely worth it. So thought I was anchored. I'm not even close to being anchored. That's so funny. Here, let me pull my anchor up. It's not doing any good. I'm floating down. So dumb. Oh, wow. It is down. It was just dragging. That's how windy it is, guys. Let's get us out of here real quick. At least back to where we were. I don't even know if I caught the fish up here or down there. But, oh, there's my fish there dragging against the dam. Oh. Let's get us upstream more. Once I get upstream more, I'll drop the anchor again. Upstream, what am I talking about? I mean, it is upstream technically because we got to worry about the dam down below. I'm not trying to go over, so that's technically why I stopped fishing where I was, or at least I thought where I was. But not bad, guys. The wind stopped automatically. I don't know if it's because luck or what. Oh my god, there's a lot of fish here. I need to stop. All right, I think we're anchored again. So yeah, awesome. That's the thing, I don't know what I'm getting on film, but I really hope it's good footage for what I'm doing. So definitely real shallow here. real shallow. I love this. It's probably going to rain because it's getting pretty dark in the direction I'm looking, but we'll see. I think my anchor is just slowing me down. I don't think it's actually holding me in place. But definitely gorgeous out. Oh, got another fish. Be gentle. Be gentle, Alan. Don't want to lose it. I definitely should have brought my net. Oh, that's a nice one. Very nice. He's a shaker. Oh, buddy. Chill out, Girl Scout. It's gonna be, I think, second one in 40 minutes. Definitely let some line out so we don't flip her out here. Is that a keeper? No, it's a keeper. Heck yeah. Oh no, his eye's bleeding. Alright. Wind's picking up again. So, yeah, guys, this is the lure that's honestly really slamming it on this lake. I didn't think I'd be halfway or close to halfway to my limit already. So, really, really awesome. All right, let's go ahead and cast back. You know, I'm not really mad about the wind. I mean, I'm a big guy, so normally I'm sweating and shit. And since I fell in, I've been wearing neoprene each time now because I mean, I had neoprene pants on last time, but I did not have a neoprene shirt, which somebody on Reddit told me that's your core temp there, basically. And I'm just thinking to myself after that, I'm like, why did I even put neoprene pants on? You know, why put neoprene pants on if you're not even going to keep your core temp? So, but that's okay. Lesson learned, just near-death experience that I didn't really want, but just thinking about that day, like, really shows you how, like, I don't know, how much nature really controls life. You know, you think you're a good swimmer, you think, hey, this water is only, what, 56, 50, maybe 45 degrees, and you're like, I can hold off in the fridge. You're like, that's nothing. No, if your body's in that water, it just drops. People that do ice baths and shit, that blows my mind. It makes me wonder, like, if I was taking ice baths, if I would have been, like, well prepared for it. But I don't know. All I know is one of the commenters was like, because I was like, I taste blood, you know, and there's a taste of blood in my mouth, and I think it was from breathing so hard. And they're like, nope, that's your adrenaline. And there was a whole scientific term for it, and I was just like, holy shit, like, people that get shot, you know, they're probably like, oh, I'm bleeding from my mouth, I'm dying, but they're really, it's just adrenaline. And I mean, obviously, if the blood's coming out of their mouth, they're gonna be like, oh yeah, that guy, fucking. But just a crazy experience that I hope nobody ever has to go through. Hope my experience teaches all. I mean, that dog, he was following, and literally bird nested right after that cast from the wind. But I'm saving it. Jesus, wind. So that's 3 fish I almost caught. 3 fish. 3 fish in only an hour, if that. I don't even think it's been an hour yet. That's crazy. Yeah, I definitely dragged closer to shore than I needed to. Let's pull this anchor up and down a Dodge. She's a wavy girl. My anchor is absolutely covered in a bunch of debris that I've been dragging this whole time from the wind. I'm so fat, I'm basically a sail probably. So, go figure. I will say it's nice being able to troll instead of paddling right now, because it's hard to juggle your gear and juggle paddling at the same exact time. And honestly, this is just the best idea I've ever had. I don't know why I didn't think of this shit sooner. I've had this kayak for like 10 years. Maybe, no, it'll be 10 years coming up. I don't know, it might actually be 10 years. I bought it in 2015, so yeah, 2015, guys. Maybe even a little older, even, because I had basically I almost died before. Only I had help. My best friend Cody was there to literally help me get to shore. my body was not able to do anything, obviously, and I was way bigger back then. I was like 80 pounds heavier, which I'm a fat piece of shit now, but I was an even fatter piece of shit back then. So, but all I know is I almost died before. I didn't almost die. That's the thing. I didn't almost die then. I thought that was close to death. It is not even remotely close. I discovered what that was. I'm probably going to keep talking about this, but it's so recent, and I perseverate on things that, I don't know, cause me close to death experiences, I guess, per se. But yeah, what a good time. I got to make sure I pay attention to the time, because I don't want to get caught out here in the dark, or before dark, and I don't even got my fucking kayak in the truck. I'm only about 10 minutes from home, but packing up in the dark sucks. I think you guys can agree. What we're gonna do, since I got 2 on my thing, I almost fucking caught a third, but he just didn't go for it. So, I mean, he did. I pulled it. I was close. I had to re-reel. That's basically why, but yeah. Oh. Definitely hit something. Alright, let's do this again. Drop the anchor. Alright. Wind. Guess bringing a dump truck here. Probably just got off work like me. I'd do the same. I'm definitely gonna buy a new rod this Friday, because this is the one I got for free since they broke the tip on the shipping. It was only a $50 rod because it was used and returned, but it's an Abu Garcia that was normally $120, so I was like, fuck yeah, I'll buy it. I got a repair kit for $5, so I guess I spent $5 on it, but I know the sensitivity's not where it should be. I have to, I don't want to say I'm delayed with the pull or but so much shit here. The fish finder's not really open at all. So many fucking lilies here. Definitely want to go down where I was. And the only reason I'm saying that is because feet. So I think deep water with this, I think the fish are just like, yeah, this is good. All right, well, I'm gonna cut here for now, and then I'll film again if I start